everyone, good day. With me today is Sir Don. He is a YouTuber. He has a YouTube channel which is the Downee Isang Banlaw.
Downee, Isang Banlaw.
Downee Isang Banlaw. So Sir Don is a nurse in Oman. Some of our clients do not have any idea as to the country where they are going, because we have also clients who are coming from IPASS who also want to go to Oman. But this is for them to have like a clear understanding or some insights on the place that you are in, because you are currently in Oman.
Hello, assalamualaikum, marhaba. Arabic greetings as well, Muslim greeting yan. Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening sa mga taga-Pilipinas. I am Donnie Aquino. I'm 35 years old. 35 years old.
Hindi mo ka 35, parang ano lang.
So, I'm a nurse here in Oman for 7 years now. But I started my journey as an OFW nurse in Saudi Arabia way back 2007. So, I started working as a private nurse for a prince in Saudi. And after that, I worked in a private hospital for 2 years. And then a year after, I joined Riyadh Military Hospital, and after that in Oman. So I am an ER nurse by profession. So as you all know, sobrang hirap ng magiging ER nurse. Actually, we are the real frontline nurses, parang ganun, frontliners, kasi kami yung nasa front. So every patient will be parang makikita namin. So I am married and I have one kid. He is 4 months old. Ayan, sabi nga ni ma'am, I'm a YouTuber. Actually, I started my YouTube channel 3 weeks ago. So, praise God, meron na akong 286 loyal subscribers. Yun.
Lagay natin niya sa description, Sir Donnie, para makita nila and they can check your videos. Nakita ko doon sa videos mo, there was one video in there na nag-tour ka sa hospital. So, was it night time? Kasi wala masyadong nurses?
Yes, actually, ma'am, ano yun, night duty. Parang mga 3 o'clock in the morning yun, after our break. So, parang naisip ko lang kasi I was assigned sa primary triage. In our hospital, we have this primary triage where may isang nurse na siya talaga yung pinakaunang nurse na mag-greet sa patient just to segregate those patients na may mga symptoms ng COVID, na may trauma. So, we will isolate immediately the patient. Parang, nangyari, pag dumating yung pasyente, ay may mga sipon, lagnat, ganyan, pero may trauma, kami yung pinakauna, para hindi na siya pumasok dun sa hindi na niya maadaanan lahat ng areas. So, yun. That time, hindi busy. So, sabi ko, naisip ko, parang, why not parang introduce myself as a nurse? Kasi, my previous videos were all about parang mga gags, mga kung paano alam mo yun, yung mga challenge. So, so sabi ko, introduce ko muna kayo yung sarili ko as a nurse, then parang i-tour ko yung hospital just to let people know na ito yung klase ng hospital na meron kami. Yeah. Dito sa Oman, importante yung privacy ng patient, lalo pag babae. So, ang pinakita ko lang mga areas. So, yun.
Thank you very much for giving us like a sneak peek of the area that you have. You have mentioned, Sir Don, na you were a nurse before sa Saudi. So what made you decide, since you have already like an experience in Saudi, what made you decide na magta-transfer ka to Oman coming from Saudi?
May part ng experience na maganda yung meeting people na kasama ko sa Toastmasters Club. Isa yun sa pinamagandang bagay na nangyari sa akin. Secondly, yung mga kaibigan ko sa hospital, pero yung working hours kasi sa Saudi, different from Oman. So parang ang nakatatak sa akin before, ayoko nang bumalik sa Middle East in general. Sabi ko, hindi na ako magtatrabaho sa Middle East. Gusto ko na lang i-pursue kung ano yung mga gusto ko. Kasi gusto ko talaga before, gusto ko maging newscaster.
Artista.
So sabi ko, hindi naman artista. Gusto ko lang maging newscaster, ma'am. Parang magtrabaho behind the camera. Parang yun yung gusto ko. So sabi ko, hindi ko mapupursue yun pag hindi ko i-give up yung work ko sa Saudi. So dumating na nga yung time na yun, 2012. From 2007, 2012, nag-resign ako. Tapos sa experience ko sa Dala, maganda in the sense that I gained parang beautiful experiences there. Like doon natutunan some majority of my parang skills doon talaga sa Saudi. Pero yung trabaho 12 hours tapos madaming pasyente, that made me decide na ayoko nang bumalik. The very reason why I changed my mind, parang sabi ko, kasi that time talagang sobrang wala, parang alam mo yun, araw-araw wala kang, sa Pilipinas ako noon while waiting for my so-called parang dream talaga, yung ultimate dream na parang
Okay.
oo. So sa mama ko, sabi niya, bakit hindi mo na lang mag-try ulit mag-abroad kasi walang ibang magsusupport sa family. Nakita ko rin yung ano namin, yung situation namin na nasa maliit lang kami na bahay, tapos struggle. It was really a struggle. So, yun, nag-decide ako. Actually, yung accident lang din yung pag-apply ko sa Oman. May nakita lang akong post. Tapos, sabi ko, mag-send kaya ako. Actually, nag-send ako ng resume. Tapos, after that, tinawagan ako for exams. Yun yung mass examination. Parang ang dami namin, mga 5,000 ata kami nag-exam sa San Beda.
That was
So,
when?
2013.
2013.
May 2013. So, pagkatapos nun, alam mo ba, ma'am, 2 beses lang akong pumunta ng agency. Nung time na after ng exam at nung time ng PIDOS. Nung ano nga namin, PIDOS nga namin, we were asked by the facilitator, sabi na, sino sa inyo dito ang excited na pumunta ng Oman bukas? Sabi ko, sila nagtaas silang lahat. Sabi niya, ikaw sir, bakit? Sabi ko, ma'am, as much as possible nga, parang ayoko nang ituloy yung trabaho. I mean, ayoko nang tumuloy sana. So, nakapagbayad na ako. Sabi niya, try mo lang. So, yun. So, yun naman yung parang naging ano naman, the struggle na naranasan ko dun sa family. Kaya nag-decide ako na bumalik ulit sa Middle East.
Okay.
In Oman in particular.
So, ano yung mga stereotype mo, Sir Don? Like, before nung nasa Pilipinas ka, what were you thinking? Like, will Oman be safe? Kasi some of the nurses kasi, or some medical professionals, or even families here in the Philippines, they do have stereotype na, why you're going to the Middle East? It's not safe there. Why not choose other countries?
Siguro an idea kung ano yung Oman.
Mm-hmm.
At sinabi nila, parang naririnig-rinig ko na ang Oman ay open country, mababait yung mga tao. And also, my brother, our eldest brother, na nasa Dubai na ngayon, Kuya Darwin, shout out sa'yo. Nagkukwento siya, nag-work siya dito before. Sabi niya, it's parang simple life lang daw doon, mababait yung mga tao. You can even do crabbing, yung magka-crab daw sila, fishing. Sobrang simple life. So, that time, nung nag-a-apply ako, I was really parang comfortable. I was really comfortable with the fact na sabi ko maganda ang Oman. And although wala talagang close encounter with the Omanis, pero doon ko na-confirm na yung mga Omanis are really like friendly people. Basta iba sila sa ibang Arabo. So, kasi nung na-interview, sobrang bait nila. Tapos actually yung mga kasama ko sa hospital ngayon, sila yung mga naging una kong mga na-meet sa agency. Sila, mga first-timers. As in, wala silang idea kung, oo. So, at that time, wala naman akong parang negative, parang idea, o yung negative na impressions with the Omani people or Oman as a country. Kasi alam ko naman, coming from the testimonials sa mga kaibigan o sa kapamilya ko, yung kuya ko, na mababait yung Omani. So, wala naman siyang, ayun nga, yung wala. Actually, wala talaga, ma'am. Parang naisip ko doon maganda ang Oman.
That's great to know, Sir Don. So let's talk about your work. So if you're going to compare like ang work mo as a nurse in Saudi Arabia and work mo ngayon as a nurse in Oman, you are working in where, Sir Don?
I'm working in a trauma center.
Ano yung pangalan ng hospital?
Khawla Hospital. Khawla Hospital.
It is a tertiary hospital?
Tertiary hospital. Actually, kami yung stroke center. Kami din yung, para siyang sa Pilipinas, orthopedic center kami. We're dealing with trauma, fractures, mga any trauma-related cases. Tapos meron din kaming, yun yung pinaka-ano namin, stroke center yan. Saka mga neurosurgery cases. Currently sa ER ako ngayon. So we have this, ilang bed capacity ata, more than 50 or yeah.
Ang
Yung
laki ng
ER?
ER nyo, by the way. Kasi I was
Oo,
also
yes.
previously as an ER nurse in Saudi. So like kung i-compare ko yung ER namin sa ER nyo, I was very surprised to see your video na, oh, grabe, ang laki ng ER nila.
Yes. Yes, so sobrang ma'am, sobrang laki yung ER. Yun. As in talagang yung kumbaga yung area pa lang malaki pero compared ko sa hospital namin sa Riyadh Military Hospital, mas malaki doon.
Okay.
Kasi nasa more than 100 bed capacity doon eh. Pero yun, when it comes to work, malaking difference talaga ang work. Dito sa Kaula Hospital, meron kaming 3 shifts. Morning, you'll start working 7:30 in the morning to 2:30 in the afternoon. So it's a
How many hours?
7-hour shift.
7 hours.
7 hours.
Mhm.
Sa afternoon, 7 hours din. Meron kami 2:30 to 9:30.
Mhm.
Pag sa gabi, medyo mahaba, 10 hours, 9:30 to 7:30. Pero yung workload, sobrang light lang compared sa ibang sa Saudi. Kasi sa Saudi, ang ano doon is 12 hours. Ito ma'am, maniwala kasi hindi. Nung nag-Saudi ako sa Dala Hospital, siguro sa isang month, kung meron kang mga OT, 2 lang off mo or 3 or 4, ganyan.
Mhm.
The rest, duty ka 12 hours. Pero yun nga, laking pasalamat ko doon. Ang dami kong natutunan doon sa hospital na yun. Sa Dala Hospital. Sa Riyadh Military naman, it's like, di siya ganun ka-tight compared to Dala. Pero kasi doon, ang ER sa Riyadh Military, it was like, parang may ICU cases kami, yung mga hindi na admit sa ICU na intubated patients na 3 months na nandun. Parang hindi siya ganun hindi siya emergency. Kumbaga ang feeling mo nasa emergency kasi hindi ganun yung feeling mo kasi may mga intubated patients na nagsistay doon ng hindi siya yung talagang short-term patients na pagkakita mo, diretso agad admission.
Mm.
So
You
dito,
mean to
iba.
say, so you mean to
Sa
say, parang lighter ang work nyo dyan sa Oman compared with
yes.
sa kung ano na experience mo sa Saudi.
Yes.